because I need to draw some lab work.
There we go again.
Actually, rather.
Do you understand this is your child or not yet?
Not yet.
Not yet?
No.
It's okay. It takes 6 months.
Really?
Yeah.
It's crazy. I feel so. I don't believe it came out and it's the baby.
It's a Mr. Handsome baby.
Yes.
It's not just a baby.
What are these?
This is heel warmers. I'm going to
I
put,
want some.
We won't have.
before we are going to draw the lab work, because the blood flow will be much, much superior. And it will be easy for him.
What's their one?
Yeah, you're going to initiate them by the squeezing that little
Wow.
thingy things.
Ah,
And then
How do you
it's,
feel? He's fine.
yes, he's happy now.
yeah.
Because he's not going to like when I will start to draw his lab work.
No.
What are you going to do?
The PKU. There is a special test. And I'm just getting him ready because it will be easier for me. And for him too, it will be faster. He's holding his own pacifier, such a smart kid.
Yeah, before
Yeah.
he does it now.
You see that? He's holding his own pussy. Such a smart cookie.
That's unbelievable.